I could only get black silicone, but like usually there's a choice of black, grey or white silicone, but I thought, oh well, if I have to get black, I'll get black, and it matches my gloves, so I'm colour coordinated. My gloves match the silicone. So everything gets siliconed up, I will be putting a reinforcing mesh down, and all my where the walls meet the floor. Here I'll be coming up about 1200 high above the vanity, but I'll be going up to about 2 meters in the shower area. What I like to do is do one coat first, and my waterproofing is going right through. Here roughly at 900 the shower starts, but I'll be putting in my aluminium after my first coat. My aluminium water stop, because this is all a seamless floor, one level. No hobs are out, big time. Big time, they're out. All you have to do DIYers is the same as what I'm doing in your home and hose. Black silicone. Beautiful. It's easy to see where you've been. That's not too good though. Silicone up that tape a bit. All good. I need to go around these taps properly, so I've got a good seal. A lot of showers leak and they think it's the membrane, but it's actually running down the wall on the inside, because the water gets sucked behind your cover plate, and if that's not siliconed up and waterproofed, the water goes inside your wall and runs down the inside of your waterproofing on the inside of your wall, and then you're in trouble. So you always seal up that and make it watertight. The dad of the owner just popped his head in. He thought I was going a bit nuts because he thought I was talking to myself. But nah, I haven't quite lost it yet. Alright, we'll see you soon. Bye. My next step in the waterproofing is I do my reinforcing mesh to all internal corners. I just put the camera on my head, just put these gloves on. See this? You don't have to do it. Silicone is sufficient, but I like to do it. Like it doesn't. It's just an added thing. It holds everything together. More so in a shower, I'll do it. But everywhere it doesn't hurt. Doesn't take long to do. This is as cheap as chips to buy, like, you know, $10 a roll. Well, it'll a roll does probably 3 bathrooms easy. So there's no such thing as costing too much. It's a no-brainer. It's pretty easy to do. A lot of people don't do it, whether it's lazy or what, I don't know, but why not give things a little bit more than what they need. It's not hard. I think they call it old school. Doesn't take much. I find it easier to do shorter pieces. I'll cut, you know, say a metre long or 800 long instead of a long length. That's plenty of height there. You know, you can see that, whoa, that's cool. It's all reinforced. And like I said, it doesn't take a lot of expense. But there's a lot of leaking showers out there, only because they're not done properly. I've held off doing my floor because I want to do my walls first, waterproof my walls first, and I don't want to stand in my silicone. I will be putting a silicone in here and mesh tape, but I'm going to do my waterproof my walls first. So you cut it to a sizable length. Buggered that up. Do it again. That's better. That's better. Right, I'll carry on with this and I'll come back to you when I'm about to start to waterproof. Okay, bye.